Paris is a big, wonderful city with so much to see, but walking everywhere can tire you out. That's why the metro is your best friend in Paris. It's fast, it's easy to use, and it can get you to almost any site you want to see. Think of the metro as your underground magic carpet ride through Paris. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be zipping around like a local. We'll give you the know-how to make the metro a breeze. Let's ride. First things first, you need to know where you're going. Every metro station has a big map on the wall. It shows all the different lines and stops. Look for your starting point and your destination. The lines have different colors and numbers. For example, line 4 is purple. Just follow the signs to your line and direction. You'll see big signs on the platforms that tell you the name of the next stop. You can't ride the metro without a ticket. Luckily, getting one is simple. Look for ticket machines in every station. They usually have instructions in English. You can buy single tickets or a pack of 10 called a carnet. You can also buy tickets on the Bonjour app. Keep your ticket handy because you'll need it to enter the metro. On the RER trains, you need to scan your ticket both when you enter and exit the station. Don't throw it away until you're back on the street. The metro is generally safe, but it's always good to be smart. Keep your belongings close, especially in crowded areas. Be aware of your surroundings and trust your instincts. Late at night, try to sit in carriages with other people. If a train car feels too empty, just wait for the next one. And remember, if you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask a station attendant. They're there to help.